guys, long time no see. Welcome back to the channel. We just bought this 2012 Honda Civic. The winning bid on it was $1,000. It was sat on scene, no keys. Looks like a repo or abandoned vehicle or something like that. So we got the key made. Started right up, only 154,000 miles on it.
Only how much?
154,000.
That sounds like a lot.
That's like for a Civic, that's just half life for a Civic. Midlife prices right now for this car.
Okay.
Some issues with the car. Messed up AC condenser. AC still works, but the condenser is all falling apart, probably from rocks and stuff bouncing off of it. Needs 2 tires. Has some good ling longs in the front.
Ling longs. Is that
budget Michelin's?
okay?
So we got some tires from the junkyard, fairly new.
So we're gonna do junkyard parts on the Civic, and we're gonna sell it to somebody.
Parts for this car are so abundant, they're so cheap. It's like the perfect vehicle to own. You can run it for like 500,000 miles probably, because the engine is 300, transmission $200. Super economical, wise choice for anyone.
So this is a perfect car for somebody in this economy. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, basically. You're gonna be hated on from driving an import car, but
Is it
if you're smart with money, yeah, it's perfect.
Is it fast?
It's
It is.
0 to 60 in probably like 17 seconds.
It looks pretty slow.
But it has the e-brake.
Oh, okay. And another thing, actually the best part about it, what it doesn't have. It doesn't have any screens or touch screens that you can touch, which is probably the best part.
Base model, nothing's gonna break on it.
Especially for Ed, because his fingers are really big.
Yeah, look at my hand.
Yeah.
Sure.
So.
Yeah, but another issue is it's super dirty inside. Looks like it was owned by a raccoon or a dog. Scooby, we found some
Scooby-Doo snacks.
Scooby snacks. Yeah, I'm gonna enough for you guys.
There you go.
Some light.
Look at that stuff.
Yeah, I'm sure we're gonna find some free snacks in there.
Yeah, but
we already found $2 in it, so
yeah,
pretty good, pretty good.
Already a profit.
Yeah, we're in the green, I think.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
Oh, wow.
Blue raspberry.
49.5 alcohol. That's probably from the south. Something you can't get this in the Midwest. Yeah, so pretty clean Civic, no body damage. Basically, just got this scratch on this door. It's gonna buff out for sure.
Hopefully it's gonna.
And you're gonna put some elbow grease in this thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my magic.
Yeah.
Ed doesn't know how to do it.
Yeah. I have some polish in me, so I should be able to polish pretty good, you know.
Yeah, I can see. I can tell.
But no rips, no tears in the seats, nothing like that. It's gonna clean up super nice.
So what is?
How much we're gonna make money?
How much money?
How much monies we're gonna make on it? What we spend on everything?
So as far as money goes, how much do we have in it now?
Right now, it's with everything, it's sitting at 2,000. I would say.
And how much is it worth?
According to Kelly Blue Book, it's worth 6,500.
Okay, so if we sell it for 6,000, we can make $35,000 to $4,000.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I love these. I love Hondas and Toyotas personally. My favorite vehicles.
Oh, you do? So why do you drive this then?
This is my. This is also a corporate car I bought for 1,500.
Yeah, look at it.
Come on, don't judge my ride, bro.
No, it's fine. I mean,
new bed is 900 on it. So when I sold the Civic, I'll put a new bed on that.
yeah, let's do it for Ed and his bed.
Yeah, come on, guys, subscribe, like the video, share, help out with my bed.
Yeah, help. Let's help Ed.
Also, I think it's gonna need new rod bearings soon because
Yeah, I think it needs. More than new bearings.
I
but
tried to sell it, and all I got was $1,000 for some Copart. Actually, they offered me $1,000. The tires alone are worth $1,000. Look at those tires, brand new.
Iron Head.
Trasher. 18.
Trasher. It belongs in the trash.
Yeah.
So what did we do first?
Let's show the people what's under the bonnet right here.
You mean hood?
No, it's a bonnet. How do you do?
Okay, I can already tell.
Let's
how
put
this
it in
is gonna-
service mode right here. Service mode.
I call it the service hole, but
Hopefully it's not gonna fall over and mess up the windshield. Yeah.
is this engine?
This is 1.8. Sadly, no turbo in this thing yet. We could case swap it.
No, we're not gonna do that.
We'll give the option to the buyer that if they want to upgrade, we can
No,
upgrade.
no.
This thing here.
Oh, that's pretty long.
That's what she said.
I knew you were gonna say that. I
like
set
Michael
you up.
Scott a little bit. Oh, let me smell it.
Lick it.
Smells like coffee. Look, I can't make it in the hole. That's what he said. Yeah, I think it needs a new battery because it's super dead. Last oil change was at 153 and it only has 154, so only 1,000 miles on the oil, but we're still gonna change it. We're gonna do new filters and all that stuff, tune up. Oh yeah.
All right, so let's do this. You ready?
Yeah.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, talk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie so they overlook me. Then I double up again, none of their knows, none of them cold. They just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm to one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close, I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke, I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank in a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
It's almost as bald as you, Andy.
Not yet.
No,
Getting there.
but it's like seems like it was run low on air or something.
Looks better than you.
That my face.
All right, so what's the update?
We're changing the drums, the drum brakes, because really low for the next customer.
Okay. For next owner of the vehicle.
Yeah. For the new
Okay.
owner.
So how did it go with the first one? Because I know you're doing the second one now.
Yeah, it was a learning curve. I did
Okay.
once on my Tundra. It was much easier than this.
Okay. All right, so he's working on the brakes. I was doing the cleaning of the inside. I'm almost done. Have to vacuum a couple times. And yeah, working on it. We're gonna do the front brakes.
She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She say she noticed a pattern. She say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered. But I hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me, all the shit we've been through. Why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she love it. I hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection, when I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better.
Shut it down like a trunk getting closed, and they ain't on this level, bro, you really not close. Even in the summer, told them that it's so froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more, now I'm stacking my accounts. It's all going stupid, yeah, the numbers in the mouse. Heard them going quiet, so I turn it up loud. And they saying they ain't feel it, but they bout to feel it now. Need another check going extra, and I got a gas, no Tesla. Said I need a mil, no less, bruh. I ain't seen it yet, so I might go request ya. They been taking shots, need your best now. Seen them all talking with their chest out. Too much going, got them stressed now. And they see me winning, told them why you so upset now. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I told them once that I could shut it down. Seen them all fly when I'm riding through the town. When I shoot my shot, told them they ain't no bounce. Like a ball on the court, dog, I told them all bounce. They ain't really see what this about. Say my life a movie, nope, I told them get out. Throwing Jordan pills, now they tripping on the ground. It's at 1, 2, 3, now they out for the count. Yeah, and I need it all, no splits. Told them me and you, dog, we don't really mix. They ain't seeing nothing till they all seeing this. Then they draw on the floor, this is real as it gets. This going down like the trunk of my car. Don't wanna smoke, bro, I take it too far. Tell me take it easy, now I'm going too hard. It's a high jump now, how I go and raise the bar like I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, I'll shut it down, look.
pray for a victory. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these wrestlers nice. All these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of A to Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life.